you think about the outside?
Scary.
Christina and I are checking out a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home in Anaheim, California. They're asking $418,000. It's about 2,400 square feet, and the comps are in the low to mid sixes. This house could be a really good flip, so we called our contractor, Jeff, to come out and check out the house. What's going on, Jeff?
What's going on, you guys?
Looks like termites live here.
If you look down here, I mean, it's everywhere down here.
Ew.
So right off the bat, this comes down.
Yeah.
Want to look at the inside?
Oh.
This is officially the weirdest entrance to a house we've ever seen.
Wait, what?
Tiny room, huge fireplace.
This is really awkward.
I don't know what's going on here, to be honest. Why?
What's this?
Oh, nice little paneling wall.
This is just weird. This looks like an afterthought. Why would anyone ever have a big fireplace?
I don't know. A couch wouldn't even fit in here. Okay, so that's...
Oh my God.
And it gets better.
What?
How come the ceilings are all like different heights and slanted, and I feel like this was put together upside down or backwards or something. The kitchen's really weird.
The whole house is sloped?
Why is the
The
kitchen
kitchen's actually big.
Wow.
big, but it's awkward? It's like in a oval. Is that a skylight?
Hey, look it. They have like commercial office
What?
space ceiling
Is there
panels.
a
Look it.
mirror in here? It's
Look at the
creepy.
ceiling panels.
This almost seems like it was the outside. Doesn't that look like stucco?
I mean, just to remodel this kitchen and removing the wall is probably like 15,000, huh?
Well, you would have to remove the wall. This is just really odd. It makes no sense. But then you come in here and then you have a ceiling like it's like bone.
This used to be the back of the house, right?
Let's look back here and see what it looks
Because
like.
this looks like addition, but it doesn't look like it could be permitted.
This is the most backwards house I've ever been in my life. I have no idea what's going on.
It looks like that was your slider and that was your kitchen window.
But this is a nice room.
It might not even be permitted.
What is that?
What? Garage?
How do you get the cars in?
4-car garage?
Wait, but you can't get cars in there.
Yeah.
There's no driveway to access it, so it's probably just storage, and people park their car in the driveway on the side of the house.
Why have a wall right here?
Let's go upstairs.
Up, okay.
I mean, the big rooms. I think it's so beat up and so awkward that other buyers and investors are gonna run.
Yikes. What are we looking at here?
$7 grand?
At least.
All right, so upstairs, 2-bedroom, 1 full bath. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,400 square foot home, and it has a really weird layout. Downstairs, there's 2 bedrooms, an office, and a bathroom. And upstairs, there are 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Let's go check out that part of the house. It's a fancy room.
This is the girl's bedroom.
Nice bathroom. So there's no master bath here, huh?
Super tiny.
I mean, the big rooms. This house has just been, it's been through battle. I mean, over 50 years of getting its butt kicked.
It's just so bizarre.
I don't know, Jeff. Let's just say everything's permitted. What do you think it would cost you?
You're looking about 70 to 80,000.
And if we have to bring all of these additions up to code, what is it gonna cost?
110, 120.
So best case, 70,000, worst case, 120,000. So me and you have a lot of talking to do.
We don't know what we're gonna do here.
I don't know if I could say I'm looking forward to it.
The seller responded to our offer by countering at $395,000, and ultimately we agreed to a purchase price of $387,000. Our rehab budget's currently 70 grand, but it can go up if we have to tear anything down. But for now, it's demo time. Well, we own this dump. What's up, bud? So, before we get too excited, what did we find out with the city?
I went down, spoke with the city. That front area is actually an add-on too.
So this was probably the front door.
Who knows?
Who knows?
Just get ready for it, okay? This was also an addition. The garage, another addition. Laundry room, addition. That garage used to be a carport. You've got 5 different additions here. This one, permitted, you're good on. The back,
This better be permitted.
they pulled permits on it.
Okay.
They never finalized this.
They didn't get final?
No. And the other 3 additions, we won't know until the inspector comes out.
So what does that mean?
There's a good chance we can get it permitted, but we have to bring it up to today's code, which is electric, plumbing, footings.
Everything, framing, strapping,
Yeah.
everything.
So
has
it's
to be
almost like
today.
rebuilding it.
None of this is gonna fly.
You might as well rebuild it.
How long till we find out?
We're gonna have to bring the inspector out here. They're gonna have to actually see the house. and then we'll go from there and see what we have to do.
We had to wait several weeks for the city inspector to get all the permits in place. And surprisingly, we dodged a bullet. The city will allow us to keep all of the additions as long as we bring the framing, the electrical, and the plumbing up to code. All right, so last time we were here, you said about 70,000.
But do you also remember what I said the worst case scenario was?
110 to 120?
You're getting pretty close to that. And that number doesn't include any structural changes that you guys want to do. Do you guys want to do any changes to this place?
In a perfect world, I'd love to get rid of all this whole wall. Plus, I'd like to take down this wall between the kitchen and dining room to create a more open floor plan.
And if we do that, Jeff, we still need light, so do you think we could pop a window in right here?
Yeah, we can pop a window in there.
Yeah, it's very dark in here, so I feel like a window is definitely key. So what do you think we're looking at to get rid of this wall and that wall?
This wall's non-bearing, so less than 1,000 there. This wall used to be the exterior wall, major bearing wall, about 4,000.
So we can open up the entire house for about $5 grand.
About that. This
Okay.
will be one huge kitchen.
Yes. So get rid of the walls, come back, regroup.
Yes. Hey, how's it going?
Hey, how's it going?
Good. You see how much better the entrance is without the fireplace?
Oh, I know. It's a crazy difference, right?
Yeah, the fireplace was like here before. Look at now it's like an actual sitting area, maybe a dining room.
I know. I wonder why there's ever even a fireplace there. It's just weird.
The walls are down, looking good.
Looks so good, right?
Well, it costs a lot of money, but now that I walk in, looks a lot better.
Yeah, it was definitely worth it to take that weird pull down and really open it up.
And look, now we have a great room.
Okay, so I brought a wide variety of samples. So backsplash is where I kind of went more of like the funky Moroccan look, and then the rest is pretty traditional. I love all of them.
Okay, so right off the bat, I actually dig this gray one in the middle and then this cool bluish glassy one right here.
Okay, I do love this one, and it's cheaper, so definitely the best bet.
All right.
I think now we should pick cabinets and counters. So if this is the design choice.
I'm digging the white.
Yeah, I think if we do the gray cabinets, they're gonna kind of just blend into each other.
And then why don't we just do a simple quartz counter?
Okay, so we have options. We could do marble, or we could do like a slate gray.
I kind of dig the dark one. All right, guys, let's figure out what we're gonna do back here.
Okay, well, the inside looks amazing. I think we should paint this the same color as the house, but what the heck are we gonna do with this thing?
I'm actually gonna say we should spend money. I think that these garage doors are so bad. So how much do you think it's gonna cost to put some roll-ups in?
$600 a piece.
Okay, that's not terrible, but what else can we do back here?
The problem is we have no yard.
Well, there's a little bit of yard on the side.
Where?
Not
This
really.
is jungle.
I say let's just clean it up as much as we can, go 50-50 mulch and grass, and just call it a day.
Half mulch, half sod.
We'll do a
Half
patch
and
of
half.
sod coming here and then mulch all through here.
All right, deal.
This boat is just too bright.
Taylor,
Huh?
I like your face.
You're funny.
I must say this house has some curb appeal now.
I know, it's actually nice.
Actually, it looks like a living room.
Looks really nice. That fireplace was huge.
It was. See, now it can be staged as a formal living room.
You know what I like? We removed all those walls, so right when you walk in, you see this room, you see the kitchen, you see the far room, you see the dining room.
Actually, it looks like a huge house now. This is an extremely open floor plan.
And that backsplash looks awesome.
Love the backsplash.
Stagers did a good job. I like how they used a lot of orange.
Well, we still have the giant garage, but we have a nice yard.
And you know what? The garages don't look that bad. The new garage doors look good, the paint looks good, and what was that thing called? The kiln?
Yeah, kiln's gone. We actually have a cute little sitting area now. It definitely looks so much better.
Oh, the kitchen is nice.
Ooh, that's beautiful.
Oh, wow, look at that backsplash.
Oh yeah, I need that.
You need that
I need it for my house.
for your house? This is a great house.
More seating, too. There's lots of seating areas.
You look right out to a garage.
Interesting. Well, kind of small. This is very awkward.
Very strange.
Daddy would love this garage, both of these garages.
Oh, a downstairs bathroom.
That's really nice. Oh, and Mom, look, there's the same style tile. It's
Yeah,
the
they carried it
lantern
through. Right.
style. I love that. That is really nice.
We received multiple offers, and at the end, we settled on a purchase price of $610,000. If this deal goes through, after closing costs, we'll make a profit of just over $74,000. Time to find another house to flip.